Foxes are captivating creatures that have intrigued humans for centuries. With their pointed ears, bushy tails, and cunning demeanor, they have become iconic animals found in folklore and popular culture worldwide. Foxes belong to the Canidae family, which also includes wolves, dogs, and jackals. These intelligent and adaptable animals have successfully colonized a wide range of habitats across the globe, from bustling cities to remote wilderness areas. Foxes are generally smaller than their canine relatives, with slender bodies, long legs, and thick fur coats that vary in color depending on their species and geographic location. The most common fox species, the red fox, typically sports a reddish-brown coat, a white chest, and a distinctive black-tipped tail. However, other species exhibit an array of colors, from the Arctic fox's snowy white fur to the fennec fox's sandy brown coat. One of the most remarkable characteristics of foxes is their adaptability. They have evolved to thrive in a wide range of environments, from the frozen Arctic tundra to the scorching deserts of Africa. Their ability to exploit various food sources, combined with their intelligence and resourcefulness, has allowed them to establish populations in both rural and urban areas. The fox family encompasses a diverse group of animals, with over 20 recognized species found throughout the world. Each species has evolved unique adaptations and characteristics that allow it to thrive in its specific habitat. The red fox, perhaps the most well-known species, boasts the widest distribution of all foxes. It can be found throughout the Northern Hemisphere, from North America to Europe, Asia, and parts of North Africa. This highly adaptable species has also been introduced to Australia, where it is considered an invasive species. In the Arctic regions, the Arctic fox reigns supreme. Its thick, white winter coat provides excellent camouflage against the snowy backdrop, while its compact body and short ears help to minimize heat loss in frigid temperatures. Another notable species, the fennec fox, inhabits the arid deserts of North Africa. Its most distinguishing feature is its exceptionally large ears, which help to dissipate heat and detect prey moving beneath the sand. Foxes have demonstrated remarkable adaptability when it comes to their choice of habitat. They can be found in a wide range of environments, from forests and grasslands to deserts and even urban areas. Their ability to exploit various food sources and adapt to different climates has contributed to their widespread distribution. In more natural settings, foxes typically establish their dens in burrows dug into the ground, often beneath the cover of dense vegetation or rocky outcrops. These dens provide shelter from the elements, a safe haven for raising their young, and a strategic location for ambushing prey. However, as human populations expand and encroach upon their natural habitats, foxes have shown a remarkable ability to adapt to urban environments. They can be found thriving in parks, gardens, and even cemeteries, where they scavenge for food and seek refuge in sheds, under porches, and even in abandoned buildings. Foxes are opportunistic omnivores, which means their diet consists of both animal and plant matter. They are highly adaptable feeders, adjusting their diet based on the availability of food sources in their environment. Their diet primarily consists of small mammals such as voles, mice, rabbits, and squirrels. They are skilled hunters, relying on their keen senses of hearing and smell to locate prey. Foxes are known for their characteristic mousing behavior, where they leap high into the air and pounce on unsuspecting rodents hidden beneath the snow or in tall grass. In addition to small mammals, foxes will also consume birds, eggs, insects, reptiles, amphibians, and carrion. During the autumn months, fruits and berries become an important part of their diet, providing them with essential nutrients and energy. Section 5. Masters of Stealth and Deception. Foxes are masters of stealth and deception, employing a range of cunning hunting strategies to outwit their prey. Their lithe bodies, sharp claws, and keen senses make them formidable predators, even in challenging environments. One of their most effective hunting techniques is stalking. Foxes will slowly and silently approach their prey, using their keen senses of hearing and smell to track their movements. Once within striking distance, they will pounce with lightning speed, delivering a fatal bite to the neck or head. In addition to stalking, foxes are also known for their cunning and deceptive behavior. They may pretend to be injured or dead to lure scavengers, such as crows or magpies, within striking distance. They have also been observed burying surplus food to save for later consumption, using their acute sense of smell to relocate their hidden caches. Section 6. The significance of fox vocalizations. Foxes are surprisingly vocal animals, using a variety of sounds to communicate with each other, defend their territories, and attract mates. Their vocalizations vary depending on the situation and the message they are trying to convey. One of the most iconic fox vocalizations is the bark, a short, sharp sound that can be heard over long distances. Foxes use barks to communicate with each other, warn off rivals, and alert their kits to danger. Another common sound is the scream, a high-pitched, chilling vocalization that is often heard during the mating season. Foxes may scream to attract mates or to defend their territories from rivals, in addition to barks and screams. Foxes also communicate using a range of other sounds, such as growls, whimpers, and chattering sounds. They may also use body language, such as tail wags, ear positions, and facial expressions to convey their intentions. Section 7. Foxes in human culture. Foxes have long held a prominent place in human culture, appearing in folklore, mythology, and literature across various societies and time periods. Their cunning, intelligence, and adaptability have made them both admired and feared. In many cultures, foxes are depicted as cunning tricksters, often outsmarting larger and more powerful animals. In Aesop's fables, for example, the fox is a recurring character known for its wit and guile. Similarly, in Native American folklore, foxes are often portrayed as wise and mischievous figures, capable of shape-shifting and other supernatural feats. However, foxes have also been associated with negative connotations in some cultures. In medieval Europe, for instance, foxes were often seen as symbols of deceit, treachery, and even witchcraft. This perception was likely influenced by their nocturnal habits, their association with the wilderness, and their tendency to raid farms for poultry. Section 8. The importance of foxes in the ecosystem. Foxes play a vital role in maintaining the balance of ecosystems. As opportunistic omnivores, they help to regulate populations of rodents and other small animals, preventing potential agricultural pests from reaching unsustainable levels. Their feeding habits also contribute to seed dispersal, as they consume fruits and berries and later deposit the seeds in their droppings. This process aids in the regeneration of forests and other habitats, promoting biodiversity and ecosystem health. Moreover, foxes serve as prey for larger predators such as wolves, coyotes, and birds of prey, further contributing to the intricate web of life in their respective ecosystems. Section 9. Conservation and coexistence. While some fox populations are thriving, others face threats from habitat loss, hunting, and disease. As human populations expand and encroach upon their natural habitats, it is crucial to implement conservation efforts to ensure the long-term survival of fox species worldwide. Conservation efforts may include protecting and restoring fox habitats, promoting responsible land management practices, and educating the public about the importance of foxes in the ecosystem. In urban areas, it is essential to promote coexistence strategies such as securing garbage cans, keeping cats indoors, and avoiding feeding foxes to minimize conflicts between humans and these adaptable creatures. By understanding and appreciating the ecological roles of foxes and implementing measures to mitigate threats, we can help to ensure that these fascinating animals continue to thrive for generations to come.